Welcome to our video on how to create your first dashboard, where you will learn how to choose a template, add data, create a summary visualization, use the fields and properties panels, add a column visualization, make a map, conduct a driver analysis, and add filters. To complete these steps, the base samples must be installed. If any of the required templates and sample data is missing, please contact your administrator. The use case that we will use today is that I am a regional sales manager for a retail sporting goods company, and I need to monitor my company's revenue. We are going to build this dashboard. To create a dashboard, click New and select Dashboard. In the resulting Select a Template dialog, click the 2x2 template and click Create. To add data, click Select a Source and navigate to Team Content, Samples, by Feature, Core, Data, and scroll down to Sample Data Module. Click Add. This data is from a previously uploaded file. To create a summary visualization, in the Sources panel, open the table named Sample File Go Sales and drag revenue onto the first quadrant of the template. Resize the visualization to make it smaller. This is a really big number, and we can format how it is displayed. To do that, open the Fields panel, click the More icon beside Revenue, and select Format. Click Currency and check Abbreviate and dismiss the dialog. We can also modify the appearance of this object. To do that, open the Properties, open the Chart section, and under Title Type, we can select No Title. Also, under Element Color, click Dark Blue. Now we're going to click Duplicate in the toolbar. We are going to move the new widget to the right of the existing one using the guides and the Snap to Grid ability. Open the Fields panel. Drag Quantity over the value slot to replace it. To add a column visualization, select both Product Line and Revenue and drag them onto the Maximize button in the second quadrant of the template. To sort the bars from highest to lowest, click the More icon beside Revenue and click Sort. Click Sort Descending and dismiss the dialog. To create a map, select both Retailer Country and Revenue and drag them onto the third quadrant of the template. To add some AI and pattern detection capabilities, open the Visualizations panel and drag a driver analysis visualization onto the Maximize button in the fourth quadrant. Drag Revenue into the Target slot. The bubbles indicate the drivers for revenue. If we mouse over the furthest bubble, we can see that the combination of quantity, product type code, unit price, unit sale price, product cost, and gross profit has a predictive strength of 85%. It is very easy to change a visualization's type. To do that, we click the Change Visualization button and choose a different one. This dashboard is interactive. If we click on one of the bars in the column visualization, for example, camping equipment, We can see that all the other visualizations on the dashboard are filtered now by camping equipment. We can click it again to remove the filter. To add a filter widget to the dashboard itself, drag retailer type up to the All Tabs filter area, and we'll give it some values of department store, outdoor shop, and sports store, and click OK. Let's also add an element of time by dragging in year and quarter. Finally, let's rename the tab to Overview by clicking on it and selecting the pencil icon. Congratulations! You have learned how to create your first dashboard. You can save the dashboard into My Content and open it up again later. Thank you for watching this video on how to create your first dashboard. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about using IBM Cognos Analytics 11.